What's up guys, 𝐿 here from 𝐿𝐷, and today I'll be teaching you how to get your money back for an item that arrived to you damaged from eBay. So this is what the LCD looked like. The flex cable was torn. It was packaged pretty well actually. I'm assuming this is where the mistake happened. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is launch open your eBay account and sign in. We're going to take care of that now. So I am currently signed in. The next step is to click on my eBay. Alright, now click summary. Okay, now we're gonna click on purchase history right down here. Alright, so believe it or not, I actually recorded this video about a week ago. I did already process the item. It is right down here, and I did receive my money back. So see return details. Everything processed through, and I did get my money back. I am gonna show you all the details at the end of this video, but in the meantime, let's use this item as an example. I did receive this item and it did not come as damaged, so I'm not gonna complete the action, but I am going to show you the process of canceling this order. So we're going to click here. Let's do return this item, for example. Why do you want to return this item? Let's select doesn't work / defective, and then you're going to add the additional details right here and then add photos if you need to. That's pretty much it. Right down here you're going to select request a return, and you should be done after that. That pretty much has it up for this video, guys. If you want any more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions about eBay, let me know. Anyways, guys, 𝐿𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐷, and I'm out. Whoa. Peace.